what we have here is NRF24 module with antenna, plus a toggle switch. This right here. The toggle switch has to be connected to a signal, which is the yellow wire, and it goes to D3 on Arduino Nano. And it has to be connected to the ground, which is the black wire here, and it goes to ground here. Okay. Now this toggle switch can now control this LED. Now the LED is basically powered through a relay right here. The relay gets its signal from this NRF24 module, which is the receiver. The code I will put below the video. Basically, I got the code from ChatGPT. So watch. Here's what I do. I turn this on, and basically LED lights up. And then again I push this back and LED goes off. Watch. On, off, on and off, on and off. Now why this is important? That means that with the help of a toggle switch, I will be able to turn off the power supply to the batteries. So this is like an external, a distant switch. So if my power is supplied to the batteries on a robotic boat, I will be able to turn off the batteries at a distance. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.